Now, this is how you can add Google email to iPhone. Let's get started. So with this, you actually have multiple different options on how you can achieve this. So you'll need to decide which mail client you want to use for this. You have the built-in blue mail icon from Apple, which you can use, but you can also download some like different third-party one from the App Store. For example, the official Gmail app from Google. So for instance, let's begin with the Apple Mail client, which is good enough, right? So for that, just open up the application itself if you haven't set it up before, or if you did, open up the apps section within the settings of your iPhone and then find the mail right there. Proceed by clicking on the mail account and click on add a new account. In here, you can sign in with your Gmail by clicking on the Google logo right there. Just go through the setup process, just type in your password. If you have two-factor authentication, and then ensure you go through it and set it up the proper way so it all works fine. Once you do go through all of that, you will be able to access your Google email account within your mail app on iPhone. So it's going to be simple. You can access it anytime you want. As I said, outside of this, you have some different mail clients to pick. So you have the Gmail, which is official from Google, and it's a good option if you ask me. So you can add a different account in there if you want. Or there are also some other third-party mail clients like Airmail, SparkMail, and these like Proton Mail, and so many different other ones which you can use, and it should work the same way. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to successfully do this. Subscribe for more quick and straight to the point tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the future videos.